Welcome back, all the powder fans out there. Back for another edition of Tri-County Customs, and what are we powder coating today? As you can see, got a whole bunch of stuff here. We have still have some of those golf course posts that we've been doing. Down to about 7 left now. But we're going to be starting on some bumpers off a side-by-side. You can see some not the greatest condition, a few little rub marks. Headlight covers there, some more markings on those. The rear bumper, we're going to get them stripped down to the bare metal, get some primer on them, and make them black again, make them look all brand new. So stay tuned. Thanks for sticking around, everybody. I've almost got everything fully blasted. You can see this one I'm not quite done yet. Ran out of sand. Waiting on some more to be sent out to me. But gives you an idea of how far I go with the sandblasting. Now we go over here and we have the rest of the stuff. That's all done. We're ready to go. You gotta wipe it down, clean it off, prep it, and then it goes in the oven. And stick around to see what color it is. Okay, all you powder fans out there, thanks for sticking around. We are just about to spray the powder on our wheeler pieces. Alright, I've already got the zinc primer on them. They are ready to get the color. Spray some on the inside there to keep that from rusting out as bad. They're not going anything too special. Of course, the air compressor would kick in right now. Now your air compressor's done, we can hear everything. Make sure to get into all the mounts. Is just going a basic flat black. Nothing fancy. But if you're here during the first half of the video, when I took a couple videos of the parts, you would have seen that they were rusty. A couple spots where it was worn through. and he just wants it to look new again. I do apologize for the poor video quality, but that is those for now. I'm going to turn the heat back on, let them bake, cure, and show you the end results. Alright, powder fans, we are done. And here we are. Nice, smooth finish. Those are gonna look real good sitting on top of the side by side once he's done getting it all fixed up. So if you like this, want to see more, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We got a lot more coming, and hopefully the videos start getting better. Till next time.